Primary productivity of an ecosystem depends upon all except. Primary productivity आप सभी ने क्लासेस में पढ़ा होगा in the chapter ecosystem that primary productivity is the rate of biomass or organic matter produced by primary producers, that means plants, during photosynthesis per unit area at a given time. It depends upon the available solar radiations. It depends on the availability of nutrients in the soil. It depends on the photosynthetic capacity of producers and consumers. No, it depends on the photosynthetic capacity of producers. Consumers do not have photosynthetic capacity. So answer to this question is both 1 and 2. So option number 4 is correct. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 122. Select the incorrect match. Here you are given with the sacred groves. In some cultures, what happens is forests are kept aside and wildlife and plants are venerated and given extra protection. There are some sacred groves in India, like in Khasi and Jaintia hills in Meghalaya, sacred grove is found. In Bastar in Rajasthan, no. In sacred groves is present in Bastar, but Bastar is not located in Rajasthan. It was the part of Madhya Pradesh, but after 2000 it became the part of the new state, that is Chhattisgarh. After 2000. Sarguja in Madhya Pradesh, right. Western Ghats in the regions of Karnataka and Maharashtra, true. So the incorrect match is Bastar in Rajasthan. Bastar is not located in Rajasthan. It is the part of Madhya Pradesh earlier, but now it is the part of Chhattisgarh. So answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 123. Secondary succession takes less time to achieve climatic climax because, see, we all know that what is primary succession and what is secondary succession. Primary succession occurs at the barren land, जहाँ पर पहले कभी life थी ही नहीं. And secondary succession takes place in those regions where there is loss of life, there is loss of vegetation. Vegetation वहाँ पर पहले थी. So secondary succession में climax achieve करने में less time लगता है. क्यों? Because small amount of or some amount of soil and propagules are already present there. Secondary succession takes less time to achieve climax because it consists of more serial stages? No. It occurs in areas like newly cooled lava? No. In the areas of newly cooled lava, primary succession takes place. Primary succession takes place. It occurs in barren area that never had vegetation before. There also primary succession takes place. So answer to this question is option number 1. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 124. When we conserve and protect the whole ecosystem, its biodiversity at all levels is protected. This statement is concerned with in situ conservation strategies. जब आप पूरे इकोसिस्टम को प्रोटेक्ट करते हो, at that time biodiversity at all levels is protected. So, for example, if you want to save tigers and you protect the whole forest, you are protecting the whole ecosystem, then biodiversity जितने भी levels पे है, it is getting protected. Okay, so here we have to exclude that option which includes the in situ conservation strategy. Biosphere reserve is in situ. National parks is in situ. sanctuaries is in situ. Seed banks and wildlife safari parks, they are the XII conservation strategy. So answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 125. Question number 125 says, mark the correct statement. In human eye, cornea absorbs UVA radiation and a high dose of UVA causes snow blindness. In human eye, cornea absorbs UVB radiation and high dose of UVB causes snow blindness. This is incorrect option. The thickness of ozone in the column of air is measured in terms of decibel. No, it is measured in the terms of Dobson unit. Decibel is a unit used to measure the sound. Okay, so this is incorrect. High concentration of DDT in birds disturbs the magnesium metabolism. No, it disturbs calcium metabolism. So this is also incorrect. Montreal Protocol is associated with control of emission of ozone depleting substances. This is true. So answer to this question is option number 4. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 126.